Hi, this is Victor. Welcome to my channel Vic5 in Season 3. Okay, and this is another episode on my computer build. Okay, so today we're going to complete the case connections, connecting the front power, the reset buttons, and USB, I think. Anyway, and audio. So we'll get started. I'm going to pass the camera over to my brother and we'll get started. Okay, here you go, Rudy. Okay, so we're first going to open up both sides. All right. We don't need this, so we can put this off to the side. Okay. So there's the case, and it's open. Okay, so I'm just going to undo this over here. Okay. This is connected right here. I think it's going to be fine. Now, just to show you, okay, on this side, this is for cable management. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take these out of here carefully. There it is. And I'm going to stick them in here. Okay. So then, going back over here, there they are. Okay, I turn my light on. And so now we have a few things here. These ones are for the front connections over here. Ready? You can, right? The power, the reset. So I'm going to do those last because they're going to go in here, and there you have to kind of align them. This one over here is the HD audio. Now there is a, right over here, you can see that there is a connection over here. And so by putting it in, let's see, I can see there's a blank spot right there. So it's kind of going to go like that to fit it in here. So as you can see, it's just going to fit in there, and should be in. Hold on. Let's try that again. There. So that is in. Okay, this one over here is matching right over here. You'll see right there. And so I'm just going to, there's a groove over here. There's kind of a groove right there, which matches this groove right there. So then when this one goes in, it's just going to go like this in here. Oops. I'm just gonna and there is that. Okay. So then the final one, of course, is this over here. Now with these ones we've got, as you can see, there is the power LED, and then there's the HD, the hard drive LED with positives on the outside. So that means that these ones over here, oops, there's the power, and there's the reset, and there's the power LED, and then there's the power positive and negative. So that is going to be, oh, look at this, they combined the reset. That's interesting. Okay, so the arrow means the positive, so that means the arrow, that means that they're going to go in like this, plus the LED positive powers on that side too, so that's going to be switched around. So that's kind of going to go like this, and like that. Oops. So those ones are going to go in like that. The HD, hold on, we've got the reset. Oh, okay, turning this around, we've got the HD LED and the positive on the outside. We've got then these are the LED ones on there, so they're going to go like that. And actually, then we've got the power, which is on the top, with the positive on the left side, which is right there. So it's going to go like that on top. And then this one, the bottom, is going to be the reset with the positive on the flip side. So it's going to be on the outside. So it's going to be like this. It's going to be like power on the positive, the negative there. Okay, so this is basically how it's going to go, right in like that. Okay, so let's see if we can just fit it in there all at once. There we go. And that's it. Okay, so it's all done. So the next part is going to be the power supply, which is going to go right here. And I have a hard drive, which is going to be the C drive, which I'm probably going to put at the very bottom right in here as the first one. Okay, so that's it for the case connections. The next is going to be the unboxing of the power supply to see what we have in there. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a great day and see you in my next episode. Okay, bye-bye.